Hey guys, so this is your first live look at the Samsung S23 Ultra, and Samsung made an awful looking packaging this time. So you guys can see in this unboxing video, this is slim package similar to the iPhone 13 series with phone rear finish on back. Then we have the Samsung S23 Ultra, and yeah, this one is close to white color finish which they call cream. So here we have 4 new colors, all matte finish, black which is classy, pinkish and yellowish cream, and new green finish which I like a lot, but I might get the pinkish one because it looks unique. Here, like last year, we'll see some online exclusive colors like red, blue, and I wish purple finish too. The main change from S22 Ultra in terms of design is now the cameras are slightly large and the front display has less curve. Some live images confirming 200 megapixel option of the Samsung S23 Ultra, and it does support 8K at 30 and portrait video mode. Just like S22 Ultra, the S23 Ultra can do max out 100x zoom, but it's gonna capture better and sharp images. First, 12x cropped camera sample from the Samsung S23 Ultra coming in, and just look how clear it is even after zooming in. Yeah, I say Samsung have done some improvement in the focusing, stabilization and night photography, so this device is gonna be a DSLR killer. The icing on cake is TSMC made for Galaxy Silicon, the custom 8 Gen 2 which is powerful and power efficient. Some disappointing news coming in, Samsung may hike the price of S23 series in Korea and Europe. The US pricing is gonna be similar to last year, so that's what it is. Shocking news coming in, Xiaomi lost to Samsung India in Q4 last year, and this is gonna continue. Xiaomi continues spamming the market with budget and mid-end phones running the worst software MIUI. They have to focus on UI, software, security patches, something Samsung is best at right now. Yeah, even their budget devices are running the latest OneUI 5, and Xiaomi flagships are still waiting for A13, which is a shame. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.